What if I can't have children because of this? This is a question that's come up recently from a guy I was speaking with. What if I can't have children because of performance anxiety and erection problems? Recently, I've been talking about something called impossible questions. These are questions that keep us stuck. They add this feeling of weight, of shame and guilt, this feeling of terror and doom, where we just kind of stay stuck in this moment, like frozen in time, with this sense of terror about the future. What if I can't have children because of this? This is one of those questions. This is an impossible question. But I'm going to do my best to answer it. Now, first up, of course, there's a medical part to this. It's important to go and get testosterone levels checked to make sure that everything health-wise is okay. So, for the next part of this, we're going to assume that that has been done and testosterone levels are good. In which case, my response is, you can have children because you can feel normal again and you can get this sorted. This is about using the right tools and strategies. And maybe you've tried a shitload of tools. Maybe you've tried watching all the videos out there, you've tried the different breathing techniques, you've spoken to therapists, spoken to the doctor, and this still isn't sorted. And I get it, I understand. It took me personally years. First of all, to feel brave enough to talk about it. Secondly, to then speak to people to get the right tools. And when I eventually found the right tools, that's when everything changed. I can understand why, if you're with someone that you love and you see this future where you want to have children, you've had the conversation, and then there's this reality. And the reality causes a gap between where you want to be and where you are right now. The thought of having children can feel impossible because sex isn't even possible. So how am I even going to have kids? We do this one step at a time. I feel confident that with the right tools and the right strategies, you can have the type of future that you want to, and you can have it sooner than you think. So what to do next? Well, if you're in that place of thinking about wanting kids or thinking about your future, and there's a gap between that and where you're at right now, the first step is to get to the bottom of what's going on, even when it feels uncomfortable to do that. Something I found for myself is that I spent a lot of time reading, watching videos, looking at articles, because I felt more comfortable doing that. It didn't feel as scary compared to talking to someone. But talking to someone was the thing that actually helped me get this sorted. So if you're in that space of feeling comfortable or spending time trying things that are not really getting the results that you want, it's time to do something different, and I'm here to help you all the way to get this sorted and feel normal again. Below in the comments, you are going to see a link to the performance anxiety quiz. This is 10 really simple yes or no questions that you answer, and I will then show you your score, plus I'll send you your personal report so that you can see what's going on, and together we'll get to the bottom of this so that you can feel normal again and make that future possible sooner rather than later. Okay, so if that sounds good to you, head below, click on that link, and that will take you straight to the quiz. And also remember to press the subscribe button here. It's in the bottom right of this screen, the red button, so that you can get the latest tools and videos that I share each week. Okay, see you on the quiz.